Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face and talk? If so, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I will give you an idea of how to start a YouTube channel without showing your face and talking. I'll also give you information on what website you can use to create your faceless YouTube video. This video is very suitable for beginners because the idea here is quite unique and impressively very simple, but many people do not know that we can make money in this way. Here I will discuss how to make money from YouTube. Watch this video until the end, so you know and let you understand how easy it is to make money from YouTube. And if you want to learn YouTube, it is also an investment in the future without the capital. Why do I say investment? Because this is a digital asset where one day what you build, what you work hard, and are really tired of, will one day be able to make money in the future. There are some things you need to understand first as a beginner. YouTube channels don't always have to show faces. In fact, many successful YouTubers have started their channels without showing their faces. One example of a successful YouTube channel without showing a face is Watch Game. Based on Social Blade, estimated their income per month is $183 to $2.9 thousand. This channel has been created 2020 with total upload 360 videos, and estimated videos per day is more than 24,000 viewers. Watch Game is a YouTube channel focused on the gaming and technology niche. On this channel, they provide comprehensive comparisons related about games. And what's interesting, they managed to build their channel without showing their face. This proves that the gaming niche can be an interesting topic to discuss on YouTube, and provide ideas for those of you who want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, and make money from YouTube. The Watch Game channel also points out that consistency in uploading videos is very important. They upload an average of one new video per week, and that helps to keep their audience interested and updated with the latest games. Also, one of the keys to the success of the Watch Game channel is the quality of the videos they offer. Their videos are produced in HD quality and with animate visualization, so that the audience feels comfortable watching them until the end. In addition, Watch Game is also active on social media such as Facebook to engage with viewers and promote their channel. In the community tab you can see they build an engagement with their audiences with question and answer. All of this proves that to build a successful YouTube channel, it takes consistency, quality content, and also the ability to use other platforms as a source of traffic to bring in viewers. How to create channel like this? One of the websites you can use to create videos like this is Ranker. Creating comparison videos related to gaming using information from Ranker.com can be a great way to interest your audience and provide valuable insight into the world of gaming. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make a comparison video. Choose a topic. Start by choosing a topic that is relevant according to the data available on Ranker.com. Some examples could include comparing different gaming platforms, placing the best RPG games in the highest rankings, or analyzing the most popular video game franchises. Collect data from Ranker.com. There are a bunch of categories they've been classified, such as entertainment, music, nerdy, sports, lifestyle, history, culture, food, and channels. But to create channel like this you need to enter the nerdy category, then click gaming. As you can see, use Ranker.com has been collecting data from voters and ranked all of the results. You can click the topic what you want. This can include statistics about user ratings, popularity, or overall ratings. For the example, I'm opening their post ranked of the 23 cutest water Pokemon of all time. They listed from the cutest name of Pokemon character figures. This website offers a variety of top lists and polls about the gaming world. From the list of the best games to the favorite game characters, this site offers information and reviews from gaming fans. Ranker also has an active gaming fan community and frequently participates in polls and voting, thus providing a unique and exciting perspective. The site also has a variety of articles and content related to games that are interesting to read. With a user-friendly and easy-to-use interface, Ranker is a great site to find inspiration and ideas about what games to play next, or who the best game characters ever existed. Create visuals to make your video more engaging. Create visuals that complement your script. If you search on YouTube, how to make comparison video, in this search result, you will find a variety of tutorials created by the content creators on YouTube that provide tips and tricks on how to make interesting and informative video comparisons like videos on the channel Watch Games. You will be shown how to use what software is used for video editing, how add an animation effect, how to cut and combine video clips, insert images and text into videos, and add audio and music effects to make videos more engaging and informative. Don't forget to make an attractive thumbnail. Thumbnails play an important role in capturing the attention of viewers and increasing click-through rate, CTR, which is the percentage of people who click on a video after seeing a thumbnail. An interesting, relevant and informative thumbnail can make viewers curious and want to watch more videos. On the other hand, a boring, inappropriate, or misleading thumbnail can lead viewers to ignore or even avoid a video. Therefore, the thumbnail for your channel must be well designed in order to increase CTR and overall video performance. You can use several editing websites that already provide special templates for YouTube thumbnails, including create.vista.com, snappa.com, and canva.com. In Canva, you can start editing it using Canva's video editing tools. These tools let you trim, add effects, adjust the speed of your video, and many features for editing videos. You can also add text, stickers and other design elements to make your videos more interesting. And if you have the Canva Pro plan, you can access other cool features, such as unlimited storage for photos and videos, a background removal tool, resizing and organizing images, creating GIFs, and adding branding elements. For more info about Canva Pro plan, check link in the description down below. Then post the video on your YouTube channel and other social media platforms to reach your audience. Overall, creating YouTube channel comparison videos using data requires careful planning, research, and execution. However, with the right approach, it can be an effective way to provide valuable insight into the world of gaming and interest your audience. Hopefully it can provide inspiration and ideas for those of you who want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face and make money from YouTube. Remember, content consistency and quality are the main keys in building a successful YouTube channel. If you like this channel, please click like button, subscribe this channel, turn on the bell notification, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.